you for clicking on my video. If you click on this video, I'm pretty sure it's because you want to learn more about the Letsfit TP1 sleep sound machine. So let's get started. Okay, so I found this bad boy on Amazon. It seems pretty cool for the price. This is my alternative to the Hatch, since it is a sound machine plus a night light, which I was looking for in this type of product. It has 7 different colors, 30 different sounds. It has a timer from 15 to 120 minutes. Like I said, I got this on Amazon Prime. I got this on sale for $22, but right now I think it's going for $27, and I have seen it in my registry going all the way up to $33. So you may want to add it to your list and maybe keep an eye on it and then just wait for when it goes on sale. But yeah, I'm going to be doing also a demo so you can see how it looks in the dark and with the sounds and everything. You can see the on and off button, the lights. This is for the light color, the fan, the noises, the white noise, the timer, and the sounds. And all of that comes right there. I just want to say a big thank you for coming to my channel to watch this review. I really hope that this helps you make that purchasing decision or not. I'll be leaving the link down below to this exact one because the brand does have a couple. So thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next review or video.